front of me is Huawei MatePad 11.5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Then select Face Recognition under Biometrics and enter your current login method. Now you need to choose Add Facial Profile at the bottom. Tap on this icon next to Enable Raise to Wake to switch it off or on, and tap on Get Started. Finally, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can rename your profile, however you wish to, and tap on Done. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. So all I need to do is swipe up to open my tablet. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!